guys, it's Isabel here and Lily. And today we're going to be doing an explosion. So the first thing we need to do is put half of a cup of this in. I have this cup, she has a bigger cup. So let's see if I can do this.
Go ahead and put it in your tin so if you spill it, it's in your tin.
Okay.
Oh, Lily, why don't you hold the bottle for Isabella while she pours it, and then you can do it.
Whoa. Wow, it's farting. You say this in every video. Is that enough, Becky?
Half a cup.
Good. Because I kind of spilled some on Lily's hand.
It's
Oh, jeez, Lily! You went past the red line.
A little pass. Hold the water bottle.
Don't do it on purpose.
Don't laugh. Wait the hell. Oh my god. Go in, little baby. Go in.
She had more than me.
No, I spilled all the rest on you.
half a cup. So then you need
a
2 tablespoons of hot water,
hot water.
and you mix it with 1 teaspoon of yeast.
Use this.
Okay.
Yes, that's your teaspoon.
Okay, can you give me my yeast?
Yeast.
I'm gonna stir mine a little bit.
Yeast. I'm gonna stir mine.
I don't need to cut it.
Water smells good.
Can they still see us?
Yeah.
Technical difficulties
Yes.
Hey.
with the yeast packet. Okay. Yeast.
This stinks, so.
All right. Here.
Put it all in.
No, here. Hold your measuring spoon.
Ooh, yeast is yellow. I didn't know that.
All right, Isabella. Where's your measuring spoon?
Now stir it.
Yeah, stir it up real good.
Oh.
Poke your nose. Stinks.
Ew, looks like puke.
Ew, it does.
Oh my god.
It stinks really bad.
Hold your cup, Lily, so that it doesn't spill. Please.
It's stinky.
All
Alright,
right. Once
I'm
you get it stirred, you want to put your food coloring in, the hydrogen peroxide. Put your cup back, Lily, so it doesn't spill. Put your cup on into your thing. Right there.
Okay, so my first color is
Just like 1 drop of each color.
royal blue.
My first
color
color is sky.
In our water bottle?
With the
One
Say royal,
a bit.
wait. No, I have violet.
I need purple.
Oh, I can't get violet. Violet. Becky, help, I can't get violet.
Open.
Becky, I can't get violet.
Somebody opens. And can somebody get me out?
Yankee almost out. Yeah, you're gonna have to pick a different.
Napkin, please.
Napkin.
Can you give me the thing?
You can clean your hands later.
Mom, I can't even open this thing because I'm doing one more color. I think it might be, no. Lily has the favorite pink I like, so I think I'm going to use her favorite pink. Well, the pink.
I can't find.
Deep pink.
anymore.
I'm using deep pink.
I'm still using yellow.
You only need like 2 colors. It's just gonna all blend together anyway. It's not gonna be like a tie-dye, I don't think. All right.
I can't.
Isabella, can you open that one?
I
for me?
did.
Thank you. Okay,
I want a lot of tea.
that's plenty.
So it's mostly tea. I want mostly tea. What?
Swish it together.
Ooh, look at my tea.
Mine's mostly like blue, but I kind of like that color. That's pretty
Okay,
nice.
next you put Dawn dish soap in it. Just a little bit. With the bottle so you don't knock it over.
That much?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Do I switch this together?
Mm-hmm.
It smells good.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's plenty. Swish it.
Ooh, bubble.
Oh, bubble.
Ooh, that smells good.
It's helping
All right.
me.
Now stir up your yeast a little bit more, and then you pour it into that
I
bottle.
hate the yeast. It stinks. And it looks so cute. This is what is gonna make it explode. Gavin, you wanna come see this?
Gavin.
Oh, show us your shirts.
Oh. It says, girls go to college to get more knowledge, boys go to Jupiter to get more stupider.
She burned hers and I just burned mine.
All right, you guys.
It looks
ready?
like coffee.
It does, but it stinks.
Pour it in. Real careful. Hold the bottom with your other hand so it doesn't tip over.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Pour it all in.
Oh my god,
Ah.
it's coming.
Pour it
It's
in.
coming. Mine's coming. Mine's coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh it looks so cool.
Look at
Oh,
that teal.
Look at that. That's pretty. Mine's
Look at mine.
Mine's so pretty.